Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you some other free watch faces that you can try out on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. You can download all of these watch faces from the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. So starting off with the first one, it is with the name of Sea Void. This is a beautiful looking watch face, and as you can see over here, it also has some further customizations also available. If you will long press in the center and then you will have to click on customize. After clicking on customize, you can change the digital background color, hour and date. Also, this watch face can hide or display the phone battery, and also you can change the element colors with this watch face. While the other features like the background and the widgets and the shortcuts are available with the premium version of this watch face. So if you want to use the widgets and the shortcuts, or you want to change the background, so for that you will have to install the premium version of this watch face. Overall, the watch face is pretty decent with the digital and the analog time. And this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. So check it out from the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. Now the next watch face of the today's video is Bold Gears HD. This watch face is also available on the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. And talking about the further customization, so for that you will have to long press in the center, then click on customize. And if you will swipe down, you will get to see some customizations like clock and date, by which you can change the analog clock or the digital clock, and you can turn on or off the battery saver mode with this watch face. Premium settings like watch face, colors and the compilations are available with the premium version. And for that you will have to purchase the premium version of this watch face. But I really like the design of gears in this watch face, and this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. This is a beautiful looking watch face. And now let's move on to the next watch face of today's video, which is with the name of SidZ. This watch face is also available in the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch, and this is one of my favorite watch faces. You can also customize it by simply long pressing in the center, then clicking on customize. There are many further customizations available, like you can change the visuals of the element color, text color or the digital background color. There are multiple color options to choose from. You can choose whatever you like. Also, you can hide or unhide the phone battery, and other features like the widgets and the shortcuts and the compilations are available with the premium version of this watch face. This is a pretty decent looking watch face, and I really like the design of this watch face, as the digital and analog both are available. And this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. Now the next watch face came officially on my Samsung Galaxy Watch. For that you will have to go to your gear application, and from here you will get to see this featured watch face of One UI 6. From here you will get to see this new option of special number watch face. You just have to click on download. Then you will click on allow install, and the watch face will start downloading for your Galaxy Watch. This is a 3D looking watch face, and it is really amazing. And as you can see over here, the watch face is now applied on your Galaxy Watch. It also has a animation when you will touch on it. I like this watch face as well, and there are some other customizations also available. If you will long press in the center, then click on customize. You can change the background of this watch face. There are two options available to choose from. Next, you can change the background color as well. As you can see over here, there are multiple color options available, and you can also change the design of the hands, and also you can change the color of the hands as well. And the further compilations option is also available, by which you can add some shortcuts to this watch face. So this is a really cool looking watch face that you can try out from the Gears application of your Galaxy Watch. And this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the free watch faces that you can try out for your Galaxy Watch. And if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.